my children, I struggled with hair loss 3 times, and I've tried everything. I know how emotional it can feel. One of the treatment I offer is PRP, PRF Stem Cells and hair growth factor. It is natural, your plasma that help restore stronger, healthier hair follicles, roots. A lot of people now want something natural, not chemical, not something that's made in a lab. The plasma hair growth therapy is one of the high demand in my clinic. I've tried and I use myself both plasma, PRF, PRP and stem cells and hair growth factors. You can see on all of my videos my hair grows fast, and I cut today myself watching a YouTube because my hairdresser is not well. What do you think? I cut hair myself, YouTube tutorial with a little bit of imagination, but it's not bad. It's not bad. I think. Let me know in the comment below. All the details about hair growth in the description below. Have a look, WhatsApp, let's book an appointment and enjoy the process because it's amazing. When you look good, you feel good. Thank you for watching.